Understanding the vow of marriage in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a very special phrase in the English language, vow of marriage. This phrase is not just linguistically interesting but also culturally significant in many societies. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just curious about English expressions, this topic is sure to be enlightening. A vow of marriage is a solemn promise or a set of promises made by individuals to each other during a wedding ceremony. These vows are the heart of a marriage ceremony and hold great significance in many cultures. They represent the commitment, love, and fidelity that the married couple promises to each other. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating how language reflects cultural practices and values. Marriage vows can vary greatly, but they often follow a similar structure. Traditionally, they include promises to love, honor, and cherish one another, in sickness and in health, for better or for worse, until death do they part. Some couples choose to stick to traditional vows, while others opt to write their own, reflecting their unique relationship and values. The vow of marriage is a great example of how language and culture are intertwined. These vows are not just words. They are a reflection of social norms, religious beliefs, and personal commitments. By understanding these vows, learners of the English language can gain insights into the cultural aspects that shape the language. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the vow of marriage. I hope this video has been informative and gives you a deeper understanding of not just the phrase, but also the cultural and emotional weight it carries. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and the people who speak it. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.